There are two types of people in this universe. One watches anime, the other watches Disney. Welcome to Sample Class 1, Principle of Inclusion-Exclusion. This is a technique of counting without counting anything twice. The simplest form of this technique is one circle. You're either in the circle or you're outside of the circle. Let's suppose that we're going to shrink the entire universe down to one class. Any student in the class either has watched anime or has not watched anime. So we're going to call this circle A for have watched anime, and this is not A for having not watched anime. The entire thing is our universe, and therefore we're going to call it the universal set. Alright, so let's suppose that 14 people out of 18 students have watched anime. Then 18 minus 14 equals to 4 students never have. Shame. But in terms of anime versus Disney, the situation becomes a little bit more complex. Some people do both. Say in a class we have some people, 5, who watch anime, 6 people watch Disney, and 2 people watch both. This symbol means intersection, which means both. So the question is, how many people watch at least one of the two? Or we are looking for how many people are in this big thing. So intuition tells us 5 plus 6 equals to 11 people, but that is actually incorrect. So let's say we are doing 5 people adding on to 6 people. Notice how we have an overlap here of 2 people? That is why 11 is incorrect, because we are counting these 2 people twice. So the correct way of doing this would be 5 plus 6 minus 2 equals to 9 people. 9 people in the class have watched at least one of the 2. But some people think that both are lame. Shame. Say that in the same class, we just calculated the union of A and D, which is 9 people. We have 3 people who think both anime and Disney are lame. So 3 are here, neither Disney or anime. Alright, so how many people are there in the class? Well, someone either watched one of the 2 or never have. So in total, we're going to have 9 plus 3, which is 12 people in total in the class. But what if we put Marvel into the picture? Or if we put both Marvel and Harry Potter into the picture? Then things will become much more complex. You have to add something, you have to subtract something. Man, isn't this a diverse universe that we live in? Enroll in Zoomers Camp to find out how to solve those problems.